Understanding Retinal Repair, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting medical term, retinal repair. This topic not only helps us understand a bit about medical science but also enhances our English vocabulary. Let's dive in and learn together. Before understanding retinal repair, we need to know what the retina is. The retina is a thin layer of tissue located at the back of the eye. It's vital for vision, as it contains cells that detect light and send signals to the brain. When we talk about the retina, we're discussing a crucial part of the human eye. The word repair in English often means fixing something that's broken or damaged. In a medical context, repair refers to the process of fixing or healing a part of the body. It involves medical treatments or surgery to restore health or function. Combining these concepts, retinal repair refers to medical procedures used to fix or heal the retina. This can include surgery, laser treatments, or other medical interventions. It's usually needed when the retina is damaged or diseased, which can affect vision. Retinal repair is crucial because the retina plays a key role in our ability to see. Damage to the retina can lead to vision loss or blindness. Therefore, retinal repair helps preserve or restore vision, significantly impacting a person's quality of life. Let's see some examples of how retinal repair can be used in sentences. 1. The doctor suggested a retinal repair surgery to improve her vision. 2. Advancements in medical technology have made retinal repair more effective. We hope this video helped you understand the meaning of retinal repair and added a valuable term to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English can open doors to various fields, like medicine, science, and more. Keep learning and exploring. See you in our next video.